This Disney-styled themed church came into disuse around the 1500s. Most of what you see now is just the round tower of this church, the rest of it has fallen away. Some say that this church was then converted into a barn, which might explain why there is an abandoned combine harvester behind it. Please hit that like button, please subscribe, and let's get into the video.
What's going on, people? We're back at another video, another location. This one's an abandoned church just behind in these bushes. There's also a combine harvester hidden in here somewhere, so let's go find it. So I think this is the way into the church, so let's go have a look, shall we? Oh, and here we go. So we've got an old church wall here. And then round this side, I think it's the tower. That's from the outside of it. We're now going to have a look inside and just see what this looks like, because I'm excited to go in here. It looks very nice. It looks very Disney-esque, and yeah, this is a nice. I think this is going to be a nice little video. A little bit of history on this. It'll be in the start of the video anyway, but this church, I think when the Black Plague was going around, it actually had the victims of the Black Plague housed here, apparently. Don't know how true it is, but yeah. We're now going through part of the church here, and we're going into the tower. Wow, this is quite a big tower, and there's still some original like wood in there as well. Look at this, some original woodwork up there. It's quite amazing. So the church is so old, but you can still just make out the archway coming to the tower here, which is kind of a nice old feature still here. And obviously the wooden plank still up there. And then out here, I imagine, would have been more of the church, possibly. I mean, there's no telling now. All the trees are growing over it. It looks really pretty from this side. You got a nice little window right in here. Ooh. And you got a slit, which I imagine where the bell was, right there. But look at that. What a pretty little thing. Proper Disney-esque. So this is the abandoned church, right here. This is the abandoned church. I hope you've enjoyed it. We're now going to go to find the combine harvester, which is sitting in the woods behind it somewhere. Let's go find it, people. Let's go find it. So here is the hidden combine harvester, just sitting in the trees. Now, I read online that they think that this is from possibly the 1970s, 1980s. Look at that, and that's here, right there, are some pedals for it. And I imagine this might have been something to maybe pull one of these pipes up and down possibly. And there's the seat. So everyone, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button, please subscribe. I enjoyed the Combine Harvester a lot and the Disney church. It's quite a, just got hit in the face, quite a scenic and pretty area. 100% worth it if you know where it is. Catch you on the next one.